Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint a cat. At first we need to paint the sketch. I have the round brush number 11 and I take the burnt umber. Let's paint the head of the cat. We will paint the circle. Let's paint ears, the first and the second, and now we will paint the body. We can wash our brush, and now we will take the flat brush. I have the flat brush number 12, and now we need the yellow color and the white color. Load up one edge of the brush with the yellow color and other edge with the white color. Blend this color on the palette. Here is the center of our circle, and we will paint one eye here and one eye here. Let's paint the stroke like this, and the second stroke here. Let it dry, and now we need to wash our brush and load up one edge of the brush with the raw sienna and other edge with the white color, and blend these colors on the palette. Here will be the nose in the center, and we will paint the stroke here and here. Wash with the brush. Load up one edge of the brush with the brown color with the burnt umber, and other edge with the necklace yellow color. Blend these colors on the palette. And we will paint the stroke here like this. And in this spot too. You see, it's very easy. And paint here. And we need to paint the tail with the same colors. Now we can wash our brush. Now let's load up one edge of the brush with the white color and other edge with the black color. And we will paint the center of the eyes. We will paint a small stroke here. And here. And the highlights I will paint with the flat brush here, here, let's wash our brush and take the pink color and the white color. And make strokes here, like this. Now we can take the small brush number 1. Let's paint the nose here. Take the white color. Now we can wash our brush and paint some grass. I take the round brush number 2, round synthetic brush number 2, and the green color. I have chromium oxide. You can use another green if you like it. Let's paint some grass. And here too. I take the flat brush number 12. Take the yellow color. Load up one edge of the brush with the yellow and other edge with the white color. Let's paint some strokes like this. So here is our cat.